Click on the link below to get price. The Tecmojo 42U server rack cabinet presents itself as a sturdy and functional solution for businesses looking to organize their IT equipment efficiently. Right out of the box, the cabinet has a robust build quality, made from heavy-duty steel that promises durability and longevity. With a height of 42U, it provides ample vertical space for mounting servers, switches, and other networking gear, making it suitable for both small and medium-sized enterprises. One of the standout features of the Tecmojo server rack is its pre-assembled design. This eliminates the hassle and time-consuming process of assembly, allowing users to set it up quickly and start optimizing their workspace immediately. The dimensions of 24 inches in width and 48 inches in depth strike a good balance, ensuring it can fit into most server rooms without overwhelming the space. The ventilation system is thoughtfully designed, featuring perforated front and rear doors to promote airflow, which is crucial for maintaining optimal operating temperatures for the housed equipment. Additionally, the removable side panels allow for easy access to your servers and networking devices, making maintenance and upgrades straightforward. Security is another strong point, as the cabinet comes with lockable doors, ensuring that your valuable IT assets are protected from unauthorized access. The adjustable mounting rails provide versatility, accommodating various equipment sizes and configurations, which is a significant advantage for businesses that may scale up their operations in the future. However, some users may find the cabinet's weight to be a drawback. It is heavy and may require assistance for installation. Despite this, the overall quality and practicality make it worth the investment. In conclusion, the Tecmojo 42U server rack cabinet is a solid choice for organizations needing a reliable and efficient storage solution for their IT equipment. With its pre-assembled structure, excellent ventilation, and robust security features, it effectively meets the demands of modern IT environments.